I bought and tested 2 of Amazon's most popular dehumidifiers. I'll tell you everything you could possibly want to know about them. They are very similar, but also very different. There are, I'm sure you could see visually some of the differences, but there are some ways how it operates that makes it different as well. I'm going to cover all of that. We have both of them. I'll kind of go over how we use them. This one right over here is going to be the KNKA dehumidifier. This is going to be the ToLife dehumidifier. I'm going to walk through both of them really quickly, and then I'll do the comparison video for you. We'll just start with the ToLife one right over here because this one's super easy. So this is the ToLife one right over here. This is exactly what it looks like. For both of these, if you want smaller ones, bigger ones, different colors, don't worry about it. They have all of that, so you don't have to worry. If black isn't your thing, they have other colors. If white isn't your thing, same deal. Turn this one on. This is how you turn this one on right over here. There is 2 different modes to this. You have the normal mode and then sleep mode, which is a little quieter. Both of these are super quiet. And then this one right over here lights up. So if you wanted this to light up, you're just going to hit this button in right over here. It doesn't light up actually on nighttime mode. So you'll see right over here, it's kind of hard to see, but there is a green going on right over here. And it has different colors as well. In terms of emptying this right over here, this is going to be exactly where you empty it. This could hold about 1 gallon. This is what it looks like. You could just dump this out, or you could just pop this out. Very easy. A handle back here, and this power source is removable. So you could just take this out. Usually when we travel with this one, this is the one we travel with, we will take the cord out when we're not using it, and then when it's dry inside here, we just put the cord in there so we don't lose it and it's not hanging around. In terms of dimensions here, we got about 14 on the top, 8 across, and then 6 on the back. So that's going to be the ToLife one right over here. This one, the KNKA, this guy is on wheels. This tank right over here is going to just pop out just like this. You could just dump it like this or pull this. You got to push these 2 things together here, and then you pull that out. This one, for both of these, once it fills up, if it fills, it will shut off. You don't have to worry about it running out. The 2 ways for this one right over here, you could drain it via this, or if you turn this guy around right over here, you could hook up the hose right over here. It does come with a hose. It is 3 feet long. You literally just pop this out. Make sure you get this going right over here and just put this nice and tight right over there. And then if you're running continuous mode, I'll get into the modes in just a second, you would just put this in a sink or wherever you're draining the water, and it will run consistently, and you don't have to worry about anything like that. And always when you take the hose out, you just kind of dry like that. I don't really use the hose that much. We used it once, and we just kind of put it in our drain board, and when it dried out, you always just want to make sure to push this back in right over here, and then you're just going to screw this back on just like that. This does have a handle right over here. This one also has a filter. If you wanted to change this out, you easily just pop that off. In terms of functionality, so we got different settings up top here. For this one here, to power this on, you're just going to hit that right over there. For modes, you have dehumidifier, dry, continuous. Dehumidifier is just going to be regular. It's going to fill this tank up, and then once it fills up, it's going to stop. It just really depends how damp or moist your place is, how quickly that will fill up. This is on the high mode right over here. Can't really hear it a lot, especially if you're this is in our basement right now. If I'm sitting at my desk, you can't even hear it. You might hear it a little bit more because I have a microphone on, so you could hear better. You have a timer over here, so you could do 24 hours. You could lock this if you wanted to. You just hold down 3 seconds, and then you have the different modes and the high speeds as well. So that's kind of that one in a nutshell. Now let's look at them head to head right over here. All right, so major differences. This one, the ToLife, does not have a hose. You could only empty it via the tank right over here. The tank sizes are different. This holds about a gallon, a little more than a gallon. This holds a little over 4 gallons. So big difference there. This one has just a handle in the back. This power source could be disconnected. This one cannot be disconnected. This one is not on wheels, but it's still very portable because it's small. This is going to be great for like an RV, or you're staying at a hotel or something like that, and you want a dehumidifier. You could take that, This one right over here obviously is on wheels, but it's super portable. It's about 22 pounds, not that heavy at all. And you just have this right over here. And if you just wanted to wheel it, you could do that one as well. This one has the 3 different modes: the dry, the dehumidify, and then the continuous mode. So if you have a bigger area, this one is probably going to be the best one for you. It could cover 2,500 square feet. This one could do 1,000 square feet. Now, we have both, so you could get both if you wanted. But this one right over here is going to be the one for you if you want to put this in a basement or a bigger area, an office, crawl space, whatever. This one will probably be the better one for you, just because you do have that option for about 4 gallons, and you also have a hose if you want to run this continuously. This one's going to be great for you if you're in a small space. You're not trying to really dry out a huge space, just because this one is only going to hold about 1 gallon, and you can't run this one in continuous mode because there is no hose with this one. So those are kind of the big differences between the two of these. So if you're looking for a great dehumidifier, can't really go wrong with either one of them. It's just going to depend on what you want. If you have a bigger space, you want a hose component so you could run it continuously, the KNKA is going to be for you. If you don't really care about that, you're using it in an RV, you're camping, you're a little short on space since this one's much smaller, this one's going to be for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you get the right dehumidifier for you.